In this video I will test the new it's refurbished. I will test the Seagate Exos X22 22TB, but they are OS drives, Whitelabel drives. I got them refurbished. I will do a full drive write and read. Hopefully it's not gonna take too many days. I just installed them now, and I want to make sure that these drives are okay. I will put links in the description with the videos on unboxing these drives, where I got them from, how much they were, and how I installed them. Okay, let's begin the test. I'll close the case first. When I started the test, I had one hard drive on the regular HDD hard disk cage in the case, and one that was a bit here hanging out side of the box. And actually it wasn't really a good idea because it got a bit hot eventually, this one. And mostly I believe it's because it was close to the graphics card, the GPU, and when I was using the GPU, the drive in that slot was getting pretty hot, 52 degrees, 53 even, so I had to move it. Here I'm showing you the specifications and properties of the drives. I call the _1 is the drive close to the GPU, _2 is the one that's in the cage, where it's interesting. Usually the one close to the GPU, if the GPU is not used, it's pretty cool, it keeps cool, but eventually I put a fan on the hard disk cage. It's pretty hot now in the summer, so yeah. Here I show you the tests and the transfer speed, and actually the transfer speed on these drives is really pretty impressive. It's 282, even 283 sometimes megabytes per second. They are new, they are not used. I mean, they're empty. They are refurbished, they're not brand new. And here I use the C tools from Seagate to do a few quick tests. And it has extended tests also. And I was checking the smart information. There is a bit of very little information on the smart info. I believe it was reset because they are recertified. These are Whitelabel Seagate Exos X22 22TB, but they are Whitelabel, meaning they are even worse than Recertified Refurbished, because they didn't even put their name on it, the Seagate brand on it. But they are working. I tested them. I did even the extended tests in Seagate C-Tools, but you have to know that the serial number will not be registered on the Seagate website. It's like it doesn't exist, so that's something to know. This is the most important part. For the speed test, this is the crystal disk mark, and it will do the test quickly, more or less quickly. You're seeing it here in high speed, but actually it took a long time to do all the tests. And after doing the Seagate extended test, there was one even longer extended test, but I decided to use another test in a future video.